Hey friends, if you're coming from my previous video, I'll link it in the description below. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I'm happy that you're here and taking the next step in setting up your Etsy print-on-demand shop properly. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to sign up on Printify and get it synced up to your Etsy shop so that when those Etsy orders come in, it's synced right up to Printify, and Printify will begin to process those orders, package them up, and ship them right out to your customers for you. This is less than 5 minutes, step by step, click by click. Let's jump right into it. Before you head over to Printify, you can check out the link in my description below for the free sign up link to Printify. And then if you would like to do Printify Premium, it's that link with code Jenny, all caps. That's going to give you 1 free month of Printify Premium. Printify Premium is $24.99 a month, but it drastically brings down the prices of their items, which gives you a higher profit margin, meaning more money in your pocket. So once you click that link, it's going to take you to printify.com and you're going to choose start for free. And then you're going to enter your email. I suggest using the same email that you used for your Etsy shop. So you're going to type that in and add a password and then choose sign up. Okay, and then you're going to choose which one is best for you. And then you're going to click next. Choose which one is best for you, or you can just put I am just exploring, and that simply you have a Printify account. Now we are going to sync this up to our Etsy shop. You're going to go into your Etsy shop and you're going to come down to settings, and then you're going to come to partners you work with. So I will link in the description below the previous video that took us up to this point in case you didn't watch it. If you watched it and you did all of the steps correctly, then you should have Printify right here. It should already be within your production partners. If it is not, I will save you some time from watching that video. I will still link it below, like I said, but you can also just click add production partner. So you would click here and then you would type in Printify and then descriptive title. So a print shop, you could keep a print shop, and then it's Wilmington, Delaware, United States of America. What do? They print, package, and ship all items. And then we are going to select a reason. So I don't have the technical ability or equipment to make it entirely by myself. The role in the design process, I design everything myself, or you can choose whichever one applies to you. And then the role is that they do everything for me. And then you would choose save partner. I'm not going to do so since I already have them as a partner, but once you clicked save partner, it would come up right here as your production partner. So let's go back into Printify, and we're going to click on my new store and manage my stores, and right here we're going to click connect, and then I'm going to go to Etsy right here, and then now it took me into my Etsy shop and it's asking if it's okay to grant access to Printify. So I'm going to choose grant access, and now it is connected. And I can go here and manage my store. I can type in my store name, Mystical Maker Shop, save. So now my Printify for Mystical Maker Shop is connected to my Mystical Maker Shop on Etsy. That way, when someone purchases from my Etsy shop, it will be synced up to Printify, and the orders will go right into this order tab here. They will appear right here. So that is simply how you connect your Printify to your Etsy shop. So simple. Congratulations on getting your Printify account synced up properly to your Etsy shop so that you can start having fun with your designs and listing on Etsy, and so that when those sales come into your Etsy shop, they're synced up properly and you can sit back and relax while Printify does all the work for you. If this tutorial helped you, all I ask is that you give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more print on demand and e-commerce tips weekly. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.